My name is Jan van Hueth. I'm working at Körber Group as a senior project manager, and I'm responsible for the Ivalua platform at Körber. Körber is a technology company. We have different business areas working on machine building, on software, on consulting, partially in the area of pharma, tobacco and supply chain. And we are using Ivalua primarily for sourcing, contracting and R2P automation. I think we started our AI journey in 2023. Currently, we are running a very successful pilot with Ivalua Eva. We're primarily asking our users to propose use cases. And what we hear most often right now is automation type use cases as well as analysis type use cases. We have selected a quite deep integration of Ivalua with our backend systems. I think we have around 7 ERP systems, a number of auxiliary systems like DNB, Integrity Next, as well as sort of data management systems, and a data warehouse as well to integrate with suppliers. As a German-based company, we anyway have quite comprehensive governance in place on how to operate and implement IT systems. These structures are co-determined, so they encompass both the management side, the employee side as well. And obviously these apply for Gen AI in the same way. In addition, we also have an AI guiding principle document aligned, and that even goes as far as implementing an ethics council on ethical questions that arise in the area of AI. So we're well prepared for most risk dimensions that are there.